Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I am that ultimate dad making the Royals lunch and everything, as you can see. P&J, whole grain, 100% whole grain bread. My queen goddess is out and about right now, so I'm handling the business. When y'all hear me say my Royals, I'm literally just talking about my children, because they all a king and they queens, you know what I mean? When you hear me say queen goddess, that's my wife. And no, we're not legally married. I don't believe in that. She don't believe in that. We're married because we're married. You know what I'm saying? Because we're committed to each other, type shit. You know what I mean? So yeah. Then go head to the gym. That's my daily routine. I get up, meditate. We do lessons because I homeschool my Royals. You know what I'm saying? So we do lessons, and then I head out to the gym. I eat and head out to the gym, type shit. Trying to get it done. You know what I'm saying? At the same time, watch out for booby traps. There's toys all over this thing. Okay, come on, no baby. All right. Let me see y'all cups. All right, good job. Okay. All right, you still got water in here. You didn't even drink your water. Break fast, as I say. All right, thank you, Peanut. Oh, all right, you got water, so you good. Okay, you got water too. You all right? Okay. I'll hook up some more minutes. This is my daily routine before I hit the gym. I load up on carbs and some protein, so I can be energized. I usually fuck with a V8 sparkling energy, natural energy drink, or sometimes a Red Bull. I know what y'all gonna say. That's not Red Bull is not it. I know, but yeah, I really don't need none of that now that I'm learning more about carbs and the energy it gives you. So yeah, this is basically my routine before I hit up the gym. I hit the gym up, then come back, work on my clothes. It take about an hour for me to even get out the door from prepping everything. You wanna be the best, you gotta do that extra. So if it took 2 hours, I wouldn't care as long as I get the get the job done. That's all that matters. Yeah, I usually eat. Y'all probably think I'm being greedy, but it's not that. Then after I eat that, I fuck with this right here. Not sure because it might be blurred in and out. It got a grip of carbs in it too. Cream of whites. I was raised on cream of wheat, but cream of whites tastes like cream of wheat to me. So it's all the same. You know what I'm saying? This got hella carbs in it that give you energy too. I know carbs is for other stuff too, but it's for energy too. So you want to load up on that before you hit up the gym and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? So you can have a awesome, awesome workout. You know what I mean? And not be feeling lazy about the workout. So yeah. Sometimes I eat my protein pancake for today. I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna make a omelet turkey sandwich. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Because that's packed with a hell of carbs too. So, and then that them things right there help me stay energized throughout my 2 hour workout. Because I usually do about 2 hour workout, sometimes 1.5 hours, but I mostly like doing 2 hour workouts. And today it is back day. So we're gonna get it in on the back, you know what I mean? All right, shit. I'm about to shave up real quick, you know what I mean? And excuse it because it's my bathroom fan. See, I think. So I'm about to, shave up real quick so I can get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? And head out to the gym. I finally got done fixing my Royals Day lunch and everything like that. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna save up real quick and head myself to the gym. Then when I get back, my day has just started. When I get back, it's gonna be when I get back, it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, light to working on my summer vibe collection for California Eclectic. So y'all beautiful queens, you know what I'm saying, could be looking good in California eclectic wear. You know what I mean? Alright, shit, I'm just putting on my motherfucking clothes now so I can head out to the gym. Finally getting up out of here, you know what I mean? You know, excuse the bathroom, but don't excuse the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, excuse the bathroom, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you know what I'm saying? Right now we're in a one bedroom, you know what I'm saying, apartment in, you know, one of the, you know, on the most violent city list, you know, so that's just what it is, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, that's the motivation, you know what I mean? That's the actual motivation in all of this is to get my royals and my queen goddess up out of here, you know what I mean? So, you know, that's what it is, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not embarrassed at all, you know, and keep it honey. Hey, if you see some roaches crawling around here, don't be trying to clown, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Hey, we are very cleanly. It's just our neighbors and this apartment complex we live in. It's just, you know, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, again, fortunately for you, you're going to see me rise to the top and get me and my royals and my queen goddess up out of this, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what kings do, you know what I mean? That's what we do, you know? So that's what time it is, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just, you know, I gotta stay focused, you know what I'm saying? I gotta stay focused and, you know, do everything I need to do to be the best me every single day, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, yeah, so, you know what I'm saying? Again, as soon as I get back from the gym, I usually do 2 hours. I might do an hour and a half today. I'm not too sure yet. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to come back here and work on, you know, work on my clothing line. You know what I'm saying? Just actually putting the logos on, you know what I'm saying? Heat pressing logos onto the clothes and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? It's always, every single day is a full day. You know what I mean? And like I said, if y'all not getting up with the mindset of I'm going to go hard every single day, you know what I'm saying? You tripping. You know what I'm saying? You know, and I'm mostly talking to the ones that are in situations financially that they don't want to be in. You know what I'm saying? It takes effort. It takes motivation. It takes, you know, every single day going hard. You know what I'm saying? And doing whatever you need to do, even a little steps to get to the top. You know what I'm saying? If you only knew all that I've been through so far, you know what I'm saying? All the walls I have run into, you know what I'm saying? You know, and I'm not gonna sit up here and say my clothes just be selling out because, you know, I'm still trying to find a recipe. Just like Young Dolph said, you know what I'm saying? Broke black ninja, remember me until I found out the recipe. So that's me too. I'm just still trying to, you know, I'm cooking it up every day. I'm cooking it up. Let me taste it. Not yet. Next day. You know what I'm saying? But when I get that recipe, it's all full steam ahead. You know what I'm saying? But until then, I'm gonna keep working on my craft. I'm gonna keep going hard. So if anything else, if you don't take nothing else from me, go hard. You know what I'm saying? I ain't here to preach to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you that you control your mind. So control your mind. You know what I'm saying? Don't let it control you, because if you let it control you, it's going to have you doing what you feel is uncomfortable things. And if you want anything out of life, you have to be uncomfortable. You got to push yourself to do things that you normally don't do to get to the next level. That's what it's about. You know what I mean? Like, for example, I know if I was a millionaire and I want to become a 10 millionaire, I'm going to have to stop doing the things that a millionaire do and do the things that a 10 millionaire do. So, you know, if you are, you know, financially, you know, not the best right now, you have to look at yourself like you already financially stable. You have to do things that are already financially stable people, what financially stable people are doing already, you know what I'm saying? So me being an entrepreneur, every day I gotta go hard, I gotta, you know what I'm saying, do everything I need to do to get my product out into the universe, into the masses. So, you know, just go hard, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Go hard, go for yours, you know what I'm saying? Don't stop until you get it. You know what I mean? Peace and love. Peace and love. Oh yeah, this this is my lovely apartment complex. 360. Sometimes you got to go within yourself, go within your mind. You know what I mean? And go within your mind and think of beautiful things. If you can't walk out your door and see beautiful things, you know. And if y'all wondering what kind of whip I got, because everybody like to, you know what I mean, floss their whips when they doing their little day in the life of and shit like that. I want to be faking and shit. Here go my whip right here. Here go mine. Okay, see, let's show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. It's bomb central in this motherfucker. And I don't mean that to disrespect, you know, people you know, that's living on the streets. And I'm just showing you my environment, you know what I mean? We got a little tent right there. A tent across the street, if you can see it. Zooming in. Oh, I can't zoom in on this, but over there in the cut. You know what I'm saying? This is all I gotta deal with and look at on my way to the gym every day. Coming from the gym type of stuff. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, I see it. It's in the cut. You know what I mean? Shoes fitness. You know what I mean? This is my, you know what I mean? This is my, you know, my getaway. You know what I mean? From, you know, you know, all of the stuff in this environment I have to come out into every day. This is kind of my getaway, you know. And I love my royals to death, and I love my queen goddess to death. But this is my getaway from everything. This is where I come and have my peace and find my peace at the gym. You know what I'm saying? I come to the gym and just zone out for 2 hours. You know what I mean? You know, and all I think about is, you know, working out, and all else, all I think about is my clothing brand. You know what I'm saying? And getting it off the ground. I don't think of nothing else while I'm at the gym. You know what I'm saying? I put my motivational speeches on, podcasts on, or I listen to what I'm fucking with right now. Boss Man D-Lo, of course, Nipsey and Tupac. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm headed up in here. To the gym it is. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? I'm at the gym, you know. I'm ending it right now, just doing my final set. You know, today is back day. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get it. Let's finish it out, you know what I'm saying? I always wanna finish this shit out hella strong, you know what I mean? You know, so that I can get back to the spot and get to working on my California eclectic clothing brand, you know what I'm saying? You know. So let's finish it out. Remember, don't ever, ever give up. You know what I'm saying? You know, that's just for those that need to hear it. I ain't trying to preach though. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. All right, now finally made it back home. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Probably can't because it's white. But this what I gotta do. I gotta, you know, heat transfer. I gotta take this off. Well, you know, cut this off. It's letters and stuff on it where you gotta. Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna put it on my you know, my California eclectic clothes, you know what I'm saying? The female queen stuff. So yeah, this is what it comes off of right there. You know what I'm saying? You know, and just to show you a little bit of, you know, what I'm gonna be putting it on. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, but right now, you know, it's in its you know, early stages. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's the shorts to it. And let's see if we can go like that. That's the shorts to it right there. You know what I'm saying? You get the full effect once it's done, though. And that's the shirt right there. Black on black, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, right now I'm just. Yeah, baby. Alright. And this is what I use. I'm sure y'all probably, some of y'all familiar with it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I use to, you know, my instruments I use to get it off. It's a specific word for it. I can't remember at this point. So yeah, that's what I'm on right now. Like I say, my day, when my day starts, it never ends. You know what I mean? You know, from getting up, you know, giving my royals, you know, my king, his, you know, getting him situated for the day, and my queen situated for the day, my royals in general, you know, to then getting lunch together, and then hitting the gym up, and then coming back and, you know, getting it in on this, you know what I mean? So yeah, we about to get it in real quick. I don't know how I look, but, you know, excuse the hair, because like I said, I'm free-forming my shit, so that means I'm just going to let it lock up whenever it locks up. No combing it, no brushing it, no doing nothing. Me and my young queen, me and my young king doing it like that, so it takes time to actually start locking up, opposed to going to a lock technician and doing it that way. So yeah. Yep, so yeah, that's the outfit. You'll feel it once y'all feel the vibe once y'all actually see it on the model and everything. You know what I'm saying? Once I put it together. So yeah.